Hey guys, I'm talking about Pixlr, a photo editing app. So the prices. There's a free option, which includes basic editing tools, overlays, and like basic sticker options, and you can be supported by ads if you'd like to. Or there's the $4.90 a month option, where they just reduce the prices. And this gives you a lot more options, like ad free, so you don't get a bunch of ads on your screen. You get more overlays, a bunch more sticker options, and a lot better editing tools, in my opinion. And then I'm not sure what the creative pack technically includes. I don't have that one. It's $14.99 a month, and it obviously has more stickers, more text, and more options with typography and photos, just different options and stuff you can choose from that obviously are better if it costs more. So these are the options. So there's obviously a free trial if you guys want to see and test it out without paying for anything. There's a 30-day free trial. And then this is what it kind of looks like. So there's all these templates you choose from. You can just make your own, or you can do different templates such as these and then add your own picture. Depends on kind of what you're working on. And then it will show you different texts and different pictures you can pull up. And then here's Pixlr E. There's pretty much the same, just depends on what you're working on. If you're creating your own, or if you're going to use it based off of something else, such as one of these. If you're wanting to start working with a project, it's already like partially done, you just want to put your own words into it or your own pictures, I recommend doing this. If you want to start from the beginning, you can also select different templates and different collage options. Overall, I think this app is really great.